am Alisdair McLaren. I'm the pipe major of the Royal Edinburgh Militia Tattoo Pipes and Drums.
Hi, I'm Marianne and I'm the drum sergeant of the RMT Pipes and Drums.
Hi, I'm Ben and I'm a piper with the RMT Pipes and Drums.
And it's the 75th anniversary of the tattoo this year. Very special year. What does it feel like to be the pipe major here today?
It's amazing. This is my 7th Edinburgh tattoo as pipe major, my 8th in total, and it's really a special year celebrating 75 years. I was supposed to be on the 70th year. We never got to celebrate that with COVID, so to be here for the 75th year is really special.
Yeah, and it's a fundamentally Scottish event, but the tattoo band is made up of pipers and drummers from all around the world.
Yeah, so we're a very unique band. We give opportunities to pipers and drummers from all over the world to play. I think this year we've got around about 16 nationalities represented in our team of 85. So we're the largest pipe band on display, and we have the widest range of nationalities.
And where are you guys from?
So I'm actually from Italy.
New Zealand, but currently living in Australia.
Yeah, and what is it that brings you back, or brings you to Scotland, brings you here? What's the love of the pipe? Where does that come from?
Well, I actually have Scottish roots, so that's where my passion for the pipes comes from. And yeah, being able to tattoo is a dream come true, literally. So it's amazing to be here.
And how do you get to play in the tattoo?
Simple process of auditioning. The music is sent out, you send your videos through, and then a wee while after that you either get the tick or you don't, and then you can get given the next set of music, learn that, and then turn up here, get a shoe uniform, and off you go.
And you're coming towards the end of the run. What's the performance schedule like? It's pretty busy, isn't it? Because not only are you playing in Edinburgh, but you're here in Glasgow today, you're around in other places.
Yeah, so I think there's around about 26 or 27 shows in total. We're performing every night up at the castle, 2 shows on the Saturday night, so we only really get the Sunday off, and then outside of that we all have all these sort of other performances that we take part in to promote the event and the charity work that the tattoo does. Yeah.
Fantastic, thanks for talking to us, guys. We're going to see you down Buchanan Street in a minute.
Absolutely.
Enjoy, got the sun for us, best of luck.
No worries.
Cheers,
Thank you.
thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.